Now, I request Sarvottam sir to introduce the incoming president, Rotarian Phanindra.
Good evening. It's a pleasure to introduce the incoming president. It was a privilege given to me. I should be happy to do that. Phanindra Gotety was born in 1958. He has been running manufacturing industry since 1982 that supplies aerospace components to defense sector. You know very well an Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Apart from turbine blades and other accessories to the power sector, he governing body different engineering colleges. He is also president for the Balanagar Association, representing over 465 industries. Wow. This industry, Revati Engineering Private Limited, was awarded the best key vendor by HA. He also received many other awards from Defense Laboratory. He has traveled widely in many countries. Besides all this, as a hobby, he has been practicing yoga passionately for the last 35 years. He has attended several seminars on yoga, has passed various examinations on the subject, and instructs leading corporate sectors in and around Hyderabad. He attracts various prominent personalities from the film, political, and industrial fraternities. One more aspect which is not mentioned here, I would like, it's also a YouTuber. He's a YouTube by name 3 Gigs, which gives a lot of inspiring messages every day and very short dramas which are relevant to the society in current times. So, congratulations, sir. I think you have a wonderful leader in the next year to come in the Rotary Club. Thank you.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.